at the site of an installation of a solar expansion. So this had solar on it from 10 years ago. However, we're adding a lot more on the main roof. A lot has changed in the last 10 years. He was thrilled with the original system from 2010, and now he's adding onto it along with power backup. That is in the form of batteries or on-site energy storage. So this is being installed by Belmont Solar. I am Ben Zook. I started this company 18 years ago. Some key things that solar provides, it's just clean energy from thin air. There's a lot that goes into it behind the scenes, but at the end of the day, all it is producing clean energy off the roof surface and converting it into usable power for use in the home or elsewhere.
All right, so after this project, Jacob's house will be net zero, which basically means the house consumes as much energy as it produces. There are a lot of reasons to install solar power. What are some of the most common ones that you hear from your customers?
The three upper level ones are certainly financial, security, and environmental. Environmental, I'll start with that one. It's just simply a much better way of producing power than burning stuff such as natural gas, oil, or coal that was maybe carbon neutral millions of years ago, but certainly not using at the rate that we tend to today. Then on the financial side, that is basically, if you look at 10 or 20 years of money paid out versus money gained from your investment or your projects, home improvement projects is often what we're referring to. If that comes out positive over 10 years, sometimes up to 15, and even if you go longer than that, it's a win-win, or it's meant to financially. And security is different, very different. That importance varies from person to person. That's a lot more complex, a lot more discussion behind that, but it's doable if the needs are there.
So where do you see the future of solar energy in 5 years?
Very increased possibilities. Solar could well be 3 or 4 times the size that it is today.
Do you have any tips for people that are just getting started with renewable energy?
So the advice I would give is see some systems, talk with people that have been there and done that. Yeah, get good advice. Renewable is doable, and you might be amazed in what makes sense for you. So, as having been doing this as a professional for 18 years, there's very little reason not to make renewable part of your future. This is Ben with Belmont Solar. I've been installing solar since 2001, and it's wonderful what can be done with it.